What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the 125 Racing Channel. As you can see, the title and the description is Twin Turbo LS Monte Carlos SS that we finna put together for a guy that been watching me for a while on YouTube, and he was like, man, hey, look like you handle your business. I want to do some business with you. I said, hey, let's make it happen. So let's hop right on into this video. Yep, so this the car. It came in nice and clean, real clean up on here. Real clean. I like the way they did this. Real clean. Something you'll want to work on. Real clean. So yeah, we going fuel injected, taking the carburetor and stuff off. And I'm gonna go with some parts. What we got over there on the goodie table. Yeah, you see it. Old goodie table right there. Yep, so this guy, he came in, he wasn't bullshitting. He said, hey man, I want twin turbo LS. And I'm buying everything up front. I said, shit, come on with it. Come on with it. Long story short, this man pull up not only with it parts. Come on, man, pull up turbos, intake, Holly Terminator X. He ain't bullshitting now. We're gonna get this pulley set off of here. No, we gotta get the truck pulley set off of here. So he got a ICT alternator power steering with real snug up on the block. We might put these forges on there. We don't know yet. We might put these forges on there. We got them sitting right here. We might put them on there. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. T-top motherfucker too now. T-top. Clean on the inside. Really can't see that way. Hold on, get back to the inside. Definitely gonna have to move this battery to the trunk. I noticed another thing that I didn't notice when he dropped it off. We cannot send him up out of here with a 4-cylinder fan and a 6-cylinder radiator. That got to go. Cooling is very, very important with twin turbo. So that got to go. Get back on the inside of this thing. It sounds good too. Got a 400 transmission in it. See, I think I got the keys on me. Got a 400 keys in the house. Got a 400 transmission TCI. Oh no, I got the keys right here. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Hold on. Fade right back. Got the keys right here. Fade right back. Hold on. I had to get in. I'm gonna let y'all hit this thing before I tear it down. Stay running, brother. She cold, y'all. She cold. back. So yeah, good little running motor. Cam, 3,000 stall already in it. So this little thing gonna eat when I get done with it. She gonna eat. Here go the parts right here. Again, intake. Thing for the timing chain. For the turbo drain back. Power steering pump, terminator, turbo. Real pressure regulator. Throttle body. So yeah, he came with everything, man. He ain't come to play. He ain't come to play. So gonna be another one out in the streets. Down from Augusta, Georgia. Down from Augusta, Georgia. Shout out to Augusta, Georgia, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Where this guy here from? Yes, sir. Brought it all the way up to me. So yeah, man. First thing we're gonna do is get this 6-cylinder radiator up out of here and this 4-cylinder fan. We gotta get it up out of here. Let's get it done. So yeah, we got the front pulley set up on. It's looking good. I just used the old belt that he had, put a zip tie on it right there just to kind of get a visual of what I need, the length. But I'm going to look up this kit and see what length belt is calls for. It's the same kit that I want to put on my 442 Cutlass. I like it. I think I'm gonna go with I'm gonna spray paint the alternator black. I think it look better like a matte black to match the power steering pump reservoir, instead of like when you sit back at it like this and you see this big old alternator sitting over here. At least it'll be black, matching that, and then keep the water pump the same color it is, and then I'm gonna go with the black valley covers and valve covers. So yeah, till next time, subscribe, and share, comment. Peace.